Hello everybody, my name is Verka Serduchka. Me English Nick Filstein. Let's speak then.
Okay, Hungry, I'm going to ask you one question. Does your husband know his glasses are there?
No, he won't remember either. He won't care. I could be naked and he would not care.
Austria, run!
He's already dead. I hit him with my frying pan. Moron. I'll leave this for
Austria's dead! Austria's dead! Austria's dead! Austria's dead!
Don't tell Prussia. He wanted to do it, so he may kill me.
He wouldn't kill you, he'll just like grope you incessantly.
Only
Believe me, I've been there.
not the same. Sorry.
Off camera. Hate it when shirts don't stay tucked in. Nice briefcase. Get that from your husband?
I know, back sunburn.
Y'all gotta see this, by the way. Let's show these socks you got here. Look at those. Look at those. Those are so freaking... Look at this. Look at that.
30 minutes of sun.
Hungry is an idiot.
Hey.
All I have to say.
It's not as bad as the backburn.
Yeah, but do you really want to show that on?
I don't care.
A little late.
It's okay.
This is outside of my house. Look at that. Look at my street. Look at it. Look at it. Look. Look, we're going to zoom in my neighbor's house.
My husband's half blind.
He's not just half blind. He's like completely blind without his glasses.
I'm a shot.
Ooh.
Oh my god, we are retarded. You're great, it tickles. Oh. Don't ask. Just a lot. Don't ask any questions.
I'm cutting you off from France. You're not allowed to see him ever again.
Oh, don't ask questions before you molest the child. Rule number 1.
Since I'm older than you.
I've had more experience. Darling, I have Prussia, I have Austria, and I can take Germany anytime I want. I'm America. The things you
Molestation! Molestation! I've never been this out of character in my entire life. Actually, yes, I have.
It's because you're me. I've changed people.
So this is how Ukraine acts when she is around Austria. You're Austria now. Hungary.
It's the glasses.
It is, it is. They're fooling me. If America and Ukraine had a love child, this would be that child.
After Hungary was in the middle. I mean, where would she get this?
Ukraine?
No. Hungary's are better. Peekaboo! Don't get my gun. Why? Dog?
Why is there snow on camera? Get the camera.
As Ukraine plays Star Wars.
I'm killing.
Oh, the poor door.
They're snowing out. You know there's zoom on that, right?
But moving it closer. Did you all just see what I just saw? Nod and smile. Sunburn!
That's what you get.
blonde cuteness. Definition of cute.
This is Germany and Italy's child.
Hi.
We're babysitting her for the night.
Can you say hi?
Hi.
Dude, turd. Yes? Yep, we got her.
Hi.
There, kiddo. Ready to go back upstairs?
Yeah.
No. She basks in our
You
office.
want to go see Natalia? Okay, go see Natalia. She has no idea who I'm talking about.
It's way too high.
She doesn't know that Natalia is Belarus.
Oh, sad.
I spent the entire day yesterday.
Gun is on the floor.
You know, it's just on my boobs right now, right? Stop a little bit there. See if I can hit these.
She has good aim. Ah!
That's what you get when your brother is Russia. Who do you think taught Russia everything he knows, huh? 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 People are like, oh, she's such a wimp, she's such a crybaby. Really? 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 I raised Russia. I'm not a wimp or a crybaby.
She was just raped too many times.
Yeah. No, seriously. I know how it feels to have a Prussia grope you. Repeatedly.
She doesn't know how to enjoy it.
Mad skills. Why do you know beyond Clint Eastwood now, huh?
You're looking at a clock.
Out of my
I'm
way.
sorry.
I'm happy. I'm feeling glad I got sunshine. In a bag, I'm useless.
Dude, you know how you find that one pair of jeans that is just awesome?
It's coming on. I'm happy. I'm feeling glad I got
No
sunshine.
breakage, I can get that soda with me, and then my, oh,
Meant too tight.
On the future.
I just got the gun on her.
On, it's coming on.
Dancing on your crib.
Finally, someone let me out of my cage. Now,
This is not one good.
because I'm counting no A's. Nah, I couldn't be there. Nah, you shouldn't be scared.
Yes, I have pants on.
And I'm under each snare, intangible. Bet you didn't think, so I command you to. Panoramic view. Look, I'll make it all manageable. Pick and choose, sit and lose. All you different crews. Chicks and dudes, so you think it's me. Pick a tune. Picture you getting down in a picture too. Like you in the few. You think it's fictional, mystical, maybe spiritual. Hero who appears in you to clear your view when you're too crazy.
You know how many times that song has been right?
Definition for what life is. Priceless to you.
His turn.
On the hype shit, you like it. Girl, smoke you righteous with one. So you like it among them. The best you with one, though.
Grope me, I dare you.
In a bag, I'm useless.